Cantonese tomato and egg is a simple, tasty dish made with scrambled eggs and fresh tomatoes. It's lightly seasoned with salt, sugar, and soy sauce. So quick and easy to make. It's perfect for a fast, comforting meal with rice. The original version features firm or not fully ripe tomatoes sautéed lightly. It brings out the freshness of the tomatoes, it balances sweet, savory, and tangy flavors. Tomato and egg stir-fry is a classic Chinese dish that's incredibly easy to make, full of flavor, and very affordable. While the basic version uses just eggs, tomatoes, and a bit of seasoning, there are countless ways to make it your own. Add extras like garlic, green onions, or even a little chili for heat, it's totally up to you. This dish is all about flexibility and comfort, making it perfect for beginners and home cooks who love to experiment. In the saucy version, this dish is cooked with fully ripe tomatoes, along with a splash of water to create a richer, more flavorful sauce. Cornstarch slurry added to thicken the mixture, making it perfect for spooning over rice. Both versions are equally comforting but offer distinct textures and levels of richness. Cantonese tomato and egg is a classic comfort dish found in many Chinese households. Known for its simplicity, vibrant flavors, and quick preparation. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel, track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.